Hey legal nurses, Janice Stolnick here, and today in this video I'm going to give you 3 tips for acing your meeting with attorney clients. So let's get started. Alright, so my very first tip for you is to dress professionally. And I don't want you to feel like you have to go out and spend thousands of dollars on professional suits. When I first started, there's actually some cute little boutiques, used clothing boutiques around my house, and I found just 2 outfits that fit me really great. I actually had to have them tailored because I'm kind of short, but these were perfect for meeting attorney clients. So don't think that dressing professionally means you have to spend thousands of dollars on clothes, because most certainly you don't. But finding something that fits well and looks professional will make you feel great. So when you go in there, you'll have a lot more confidence. So definitely dress professionally, but look at different options for clothing so you don't have to spend a fortune. And you really only need 2 outfits. I just rotate my outfits because we don't really run into the attorneys that much. We can sometimes pick up cases and then drop them off, or pick up medical records and drop them off. But for the most part, a lot of the attorneys will just drop box you files. So you really don't need to invest a ton of money in clothing. So save yourself some money there and spend it in other places for your business. The second one is to arrive 15 minutes early. And the reason I say this is because I actually went to an attorney building down in Irvine, and I got completely lost. I was lost in the parking garage. I got lost trying to find the legal firm. So make sure you go early and you give yourself enough time to arrive 15 minutes early as well. So I'm bad. I leave like 45 minutes, or I want to arrive like 45 minutes ahead of time because I'm just an early person, but I want to ensure that I get there on time, that I'm not out of breath when I meet the attorney client and his staff. So that's just one tip. Try to remember that there's going to be parking and all that other crazy stuff, and typically you're not just walking right into an office. And then the third thing is bring goodies for the staff. If you get in good with the staff, you will have cases for life. Like every time I bring cookies or goodies, or even sometimes I'll just bring healthy treats, the staff is so grateful. So the legal secretary, all the other attorneys in the office, you want to make an impression, so bring something. You know what this reminds me of? The pharmaceutical reps that walk into doctor's offices, right? It's very similar. So make sure you're taking care of staff when you show up to meet the attorney, and they're gonna love you for it, and they'll remember you for next time. And then I had one more tip. What was it? I've got my baby in the back and now I can't remember. I know I said 3, but I had one more. If I can remember it, I'll post it below this video. But you guys just get out there, don't spend a fortune, just show up. Oh, always come with a smile on your face and make eye contact, and be confident in you and be confident in your skills as a nurse, because you know exactly what you're talking about. And if the attorney says something that you don't understand, maybe he uses a legal term that you've never heard before, I just always joke and say, hey, you're the legal expert here, I'm the medical expert, you're gonna have to dumb it down on that end for me. And they laugh and they'll go, oh, that means this, and I'll be like, oh, okay, because most certainly you're gonna use a medical term that they don't understand. So you can establish that relationship. Hey, you're the legal expert, I'm the medical expert, and keep it on an even playing field, and you don't have to feel dumb if you don't know the word. The worst thing you can do is nod your head and say yes, take home a case, and then deliver a work product that wasn't anything like he requested. So if you don't know what they're talking about, just ask them to elaborate, ask them to explain, and let it roll right off your back. Don't even worry about it. So those are my tips for today, and I'll see you on the next video.